Next point in logic, duals. Now, tautology is denoted by small t and contradiction denoted by c. What is meant by duals? If a statement is obtained from the other by replacing conjunction by disjunction and t by c and vice versa, then the statements are duals of each other. The statements are duals of each other. Now see again, what is meant by duals? Tautology is denoted by small t, contradiction denoted by small t. Dual means if a statement is obtained from the other by replacing conjunction by disjunction or disjunction by conjunction and t by c or c by t, then the statements are duals of each other. Example, P disjunction Q conjunction R. Dual is P disjunction replaced by conjunction and conjunction replaced by disjunction. P disjunction Q conjunction R. Dual is P conjunction Q disjunction R. Now see question number 2 in exercise 1.3. Question number 2. Write duals of the following. First one, P disjunction Q conjunction R. Dual is P conjunction Q disjunction R. Second one, P conjunction Q conjunction R. Dual is in dual conjunction replaced by disjunction. P disjunction Q disjunction R. Conjunction replaced by disjunction. Conjunction replaced by disjunction. Next one. P disjunction Q conjunction R disjunction S. Dual is P conjunction Q disjunction R conjunction S. P conjunction negation Q. Dual is P disjunction negation Q. Negation P disjunction Q conjunction negation R, conjunction yes. Dual is in dual negation is not change or negation remains as it is. Negation P, disjunction replaced by conjunction Q, conjunction replaced by disjunction, negation R, disjunction yes. Next one. Negation P conjunction, negation Q conjunction, P disjunction Q, conjunction, negation R. Dual is negation P disjunction, negation Q disjunction, P conjunction Q, disjunction, negation R. Next one. In bracket, negation of P disjunction Q, conjunction P disjunction Q, negation of Q conjunction, negation yes. Dual is negation of P conjunction Q, conjunction so disjunction, P conjunction, negation of Q disjunction, negation yes. Next one. C disjunction P conjunction Q disjunction R. Dual is C replaced by T. In bracket P conjunction replaced by disjunction. Q disjunction replaced by conjunction. Next one. Negation P disjunction Q conjunction R, conjunction T. Dual is negation P conjunction Q disjunction R, disjunction T replaced by C. And last one. P disjunction Q, disjunction C. Dual is P conjunction Q, conjunction T. See again, to write dual of given statement, disjunction replaced by conjunction, conjunction replaced by disjunction, T replaced by C, C replaced by T. First one, P disjunction Q conjunction R. Disjunction replaced by conjunction, conjunction replaced by disjunction. Here also, conjunction replaced by disjunction, conjunction replaced by disjunction. Here, disjunction replaced by conjunction, conjunction replaced by disjunction, disjunction replaced by conjunction. Here, conjunction replaced by disjunction. Here, disjunction replaced by conjunction, conjunction replaced by disjunction, conjunction replaced by disjunction. Here, Conjunction replaced by disjunction, conjunction replaced by disjunction, disjunction replaced by conjunction, conjunction replaced by disjunction. Here, disjunction replaced by conjunction, negation remains as it is. Conjunction replaced by disjunction, disjunction replaced by conjunction, conjunction replaced by disjunction. Here, C replaced by T, C replaced by T, disjunction replaced by conjunction, then P conjunction replaced by disjunction, disjunction replaced by conjunction. Here, negation of disjunction replaced by conjunction, conjunction replaced by disjunction, conjunction replaced by disjunction, T replaced by C. P disjunction replaced by conjunction, disjunction replaced by conjunction, C replaced by T. Next point, negation of compound statement. First one, negation of conjunction, negation P conjunction Q. It is logically equivalent with negation P disjunction negation Q. Negation of conjunction, negation P disjunction negation Q. Second one, negation of disjunction, logically equivalent with negation P conjunction negation Q. Negation of disjunction, logically equivalent with negation P conjunction negation Q. Third one, negation of negation P, logically equivalent with statement. Fourth one, negation of conditional, logically equivalent with P conjunction negation Q. And negation of biconditional, logically equivalent with P conjunction negation Q, disjunction Q conjunction negation P. In case of quantified statement, some or there exist replaced by all or every. All or every replaced by some or there exist. That is existential quantifier replaced by universal quantifier and universal quantifier replaced by existential quantifier. See again, negation of compound statement, negation of P conjunction Q, logically equivalent with negation P disjunction negation Q. Secondly, negation of P disjunction Q, logically equivalent with negation P conjunction negation Q. Negation of negation P, statement itself. Negation of P conditional Q, logically equivalent with P conjunction negation Q. Negation of biconditional or equivalence, logically equivalent with P conjunction negation Q, disjunction Q conjunction negation P. In quantified statement, to write negation, some or there exist, that is existential quantifier replaced by all or every. all or every replaced by some or there exists. That is, exponential quantifier by replaced by universal quantifier replaced by exponential quantifier.